My name is Jacob Boehme. I come from the Narungga and Kaurna peoples of South Australia. I'm here in India on an Exchanging Expertise program, an initiative run through a partnership with Krea University and the Australia Council for the Arts, looking to build relationships and connections between our two continents. We've been exchanging ideas, we've been looking at the connections and the complexities about Indigenous tribes both here in India and also in Australia, what the similarities are, what the differences are. But what we're finding is that there's more similarities than differences, and that distance is kind of getting smaller and smaller as we figure out that at some stage we were all connected. Art is not separated into disciplines for us because music and storytelling are one and the same, and storytelling and music interweave with dance, and dance interweaves with visual art because you wear part of the story as visual art painted on your body. And this all forms part of ceremony and the way that we figure out how we belong, not only to the place, but how I belong to you, how I belong to you, how I belong to you, and what our kinship relationships are, and then also defines what our responsibility in custodianship of the land and what our environmental responsibilities are. Arts and creativity are essential to all kinds of problem solving. You need to be creative to negotiate, to look at conflict resolution. You need creativity for a range of life skills in order to get on.